guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're in Expo 2020 Dubai. We are going to the water feature area in that. Guys, this is my favorite place so far because there's a lot of water and water is my favorite thing. We can also see it from different angles. It looks so beautiful as well. I think that you actually like this video. Please come to Expo 2020 Dubai as well, because Expo 2020 Dubai has a lot of things that I never even explored. So please be the only ones who had explored that and tell me what you saw. Guys, please subscribe, like and comment down below. What kind of pavilion do you want to make me see next?